The materials that you need are 4 bottle caps, a stick, scissors, Sharpie, rubber bands, tape, and a cardboard. First, draw dots on the bottle caps. Next, hot glue the 2 bottle caps together. Put hot glue on the edge of the bottle caps and then stick them together. You only need to put it on 1 bottle cap. Now, drill a hole in the middle of the bottle caps. Next, stick a stick through the bottle cap. Now, hot glue them together. Do it how I'm doing it right now. Next, draw a line the size of a ruler, and then cut it out. After you finish drawing the other side, cut it out too. Next, poke a hole and do it how I'm doing it right now. Not in the middle, but under middle point. And do it on the other side. Next, use a scissor to make the hole bigger, so when the wheel moves, it won't get stuck. Now stick the wheel into the cardboard. Make sure there's enough space for 2 rubber bands. Next, tie the rubber bands together. And stick one side into the rubber band and hot glue them. Just put enough hot glue that it will stay on. Next, put the cardboard in to measure it. Now cut the leftover pieces, but leave a little space so you can put something to hold the wheel onto the cardboard. But don't glue the stick to the cardboard. You see there's a little space, so you could put a holder there. Now it's time for the holder. Draw 4 circles. After you finish drawing 4 circles, cut them out. After you have finished cutting it out, use the stick to poke a hole in the middle of the circle. Now put them at the end of the stick. This is a holder, so when the wheel moves, it won't come out. Now draw a shape in the middle for the top. Now cut it out. Make sure it fits and then glue it on. Get dead batteries so you could put some weight onto the motorcycle. You need to use a lot because it has to be pretty heavy.